morning, good morning, good morning. Just chilling.
Chilling with the fam fam.
With the fam bam.
Yep. We're chilling with that fam bam and this fam bam.
Yes.
Hey guys, what's up? MTM family, I'm not gonna tell you no lie. Yesterday morning, I woke up and I was not feeling good. I felt like some symptoms was coming down upon me. But guess what? I had a performance for Jamaica's 59th independence that I basically had to go to. What was the responsible thing to do? Take a COVID test. So right away, jump on the phone, call Athena Medical, Nurse Hamilton, who I don't know if you guys saw the episode when we all did our COVID test, came back, did my COVID test, found out that the symptoms that I was feeling was not COVID. I was safe. Put on my mask, jump out back, go do what I have to do, coming back. Last night now was, yeah, you know it go. I try to stave it off. You can hear it in my voice. I know my MTM family them say, yo, oh man, she sound like robots up. Yeah, so I kind of have a little something when I fight off people. The truth is, the regular sickness them still a keep. We just the construction, the house full of dust, one bag of things, Sahara dust a fly outside, bare things. But the truth is, regular sickness still a keep. But the fear is that it might be COVID. So I did what I had to do. I was responsible, took my COVID test. I'm safe, and I'm fighting this thing out because I have so much stuff to do, people. This weekend was like the worst weekend. Anyway, the show must go on because the boys' birthday celebration is today. So you know, so we have to up and down and we have to turn up and show up. Not a just a gathering, just a cake cutting, really. But you know, MTM cake cutting, you can't have a little buzz. You know that chef's there.
What are you talking about? Where's the man? Where's the man?
Yes, call me?
Yes.
Lady.
We don't want to get what you have.
I don't know, man. I'm good.
Oh.
You know what beat my bad? Let me tell you what beat my bad, Tommy. You see the chest pain what I have with the muscle what I the weights what I lift?
Okay.
It coupled with it, so when I calf, the whole of my chest feel
You need some buckleys?
tense.
Or you need some, what a garlic one name again?
The garlic one. And big
Jeez, I'm never getting some
liquid flute, murder. Yo, Tammy has been great. She buy white rum, honey and lime. Tammy, white rum, honey and lime. Get this, the party started early. Type. Yo, when I drink it, I feel buzzy.
It's not supposed to be. It must come from your father. He's telling me that's it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the thing I make for sore throat, cough, everything. I'm sure you already know, but I'll show you. Go on, sip on that.
You make the cocktail.
It really does make you feel better though, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Or no?
Of course. It really does. It move up.
It move up
everything
things.
going. Yeah.
Alright.
What is it? One cocktail?
It could be.
No.
Pasha.
Pardon me. Fractal, okay?
Oh. Fool. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go on the road right quick to try and get some liquor stuff together and try and get, just a few little things. I'm keeping it very simple. I'm ordering a couple pizzas, some wings. That's it. I don't even know if my dad's gonna be able to make it. Tessie can't make it. She has something else to do, so Zai won't be here. So it's just us guys. It's not like no mega party vibes or anything like that. Alright, so let me go get myself ready. Let me go bed in my new bathroom.
Is the backlashes for me? Lord, you come out like a butterfly today. Out of him cocoon. How are going?
It's my boy's birthday.
I thought you were going to say it's something about me, you know. Hey, no, hey, little boy. White rum.
You cannot leave that there.
No, I watch it. Cause I'm done a pre from earlier.
Ozzy, no.
No, that is white rum. It will make you quite numb.
Daddy! Naughty dad!
It's terrible.
Daddy, that's naughty!
I'm gonna run.
And here is Atlas now. Atlas, what are you doing?
Watching.
Watching what?
Meet the Mitchells.
Watching Meet the Mitchells? My favorite thing, people. Kind of man, this is a book.
Jaxen, come on for the game, please. Press pause and come.
What is that?
That's a present for you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
It's on its side. Do you know what it's like, B? You're never gonna
Hold on. Let's guess.
guess.
It's a drum.
What do you do?
Can I start right here?
Yes, it's your own drum kit. So now you can be like the guy from that
Bruno Mars
song.
and
Look at this, Atlas. You have your own symbol and everything now. So when this goes on, you go so.
Wicked.
So should we set it up for you? Let's do it. Are you
You
happy?
see that?
Yeah.
Drum.
And you even have your own little seat.
At last. Aren't you so happy?
Yeah.
Wicked.
Wow, Boozy.
Pass the top of that seat, Baba.
Let's start with my foot.
Alright, drum set. All ready to go.
Yeah.
Nice. Maddie. Watch it, people. Look, we're reaching live. No more holding hand. My boy Sim Barber and sit down. And I take you cut like a big boy. You're a G. Yes, sir.
Alright guys, I'm heading home now. I just ran out very quickly to get a few things. As we said, it's not anything big today. We literally just have like my dad coming over, Wayne's mom, and one of the boys' shared friends, Oddly, is coming by as well. So yeah, keeping it very easy, very light, just because, you know, of the times, and just because, to be honest with you, I am tired. It's a very hectic week. I have another big week ahead, and I'm just trying to just stay sane. I didn't grow up with birthday parties, you know, guys, so it's very hard for me to also do it. Like the first birthday party I ever got that I can think of is like when my sister did a birthday party for her son when he was like turning 2, and because we were born the same month, she was like, Tammy, you want to invite a couple friends? And she pretended like it was my party too. But we never really grew up with like birthday parties, so I don't know. That's why I think it's hard for me to like do them, because I never had them. So I also know you can live without them, you know, but we do something special. We all come together and, you know, whatever. Anyway, maybe that makes sense, maybe it doesn't. They're gonna enjoy it and they're gonna have a good time. Oh, there's Pops.
Chin. Come look for my work now, man. Come now, man.
Come on, see, man.
You're going to scream.
Proud of this.
Yeah, man.
Hold on. Wow. This is so. You know what I love about this thing here, Tami?
Yeah?
The whole shower thing over there.
Nice, eh?
The black, the contrast,
Yeah.
the light.
It's lovely.
It's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Thanks, boss.
It is really beautiful.
Everybody love it.
Yeah, man. You see that? I wanted to do that in my bathroom, you know. But the wall in between was not a 6-inch wall, was a 4-inch wall.
Okay.
So it was so thin. You saw?
This bathroom is edible.
Oh, wow. I like
The black with the white. Yeah, man. It's beautiful.
It's really nice, Wayne.
Yeah, man.
Someone, I like the car.
No, why am I hug up mommy so? I'm jealous. I'm jealous trying to see
He
birthday.
said hug up.
Oh, who's here say, my mommy.
There's just no better feeling.
They like you in heaven.
Loving that, you know. Loving that so much. Keep on me nosy.
In that moment, right, Ozzy?
Nosy. Yeah.
Love you.
Give me 5 more. Yes. You're so sweet. You know that, man? You gone? Hold on, Pops. I see you.
See the birthday boys here, people.
What do you mean birthday boys? You know, each one is to
Send them birthday love.
So one Friday, one Monday.
Yeah, but we cut cake
But we
today for the
celebrated
two of
today.
them.
I just love the way he sits on Daddy's lap, like, you know.
Or maybe we should have saved Jack's cake for tomorrow.
No, he wanted it today.
Yes.
But we'll have one.
And I wanted it today.
Thank
Daddy,
you.
stop it.
Thank you, Jackson.
Yeah, but what? Daddy was thinking about that today. And one today,
Am I right?
one
Because
one
they
tomorrow.
cut their each and then we'll
Want
have
to
a whole
keep
cake
us-
tomorrow.
You just remind you.
Who?
You and Tessie.
I know. Oh, except Tessie and my birthday is months apart. And on my birthday, Tessie, I get bare things. And on Tessie's birthday, me not get nothing.
That's not true.
They had individual parties though.
You see
No,
the girls
okay.
them? The girls them bring beer
Wait.
drama people.
I was explaining.
Beer drama.
I was explaining this earlier. We didn't have parties growing up.
So they
We
have
didn't have
Christmas.
birthday parties. We didn't have Christmas, and so maybe that's why I'm so. You know, it's not a big deal to me like to do birthday. You'd think that I'd be like, oh, they have to have a birthday party, but I think because I didn't have them, I'm like, it's fine, you'll survive.
Yeah, we
And
never have
you'll-
birthday party.
We just
we never
mark the
celebrate
day.
Christmas. We never.
Yeah. I see me out.
You see that already?
Never eat pork. I look at you now.
Never eat pork. What? From a meat you say, Will? From a meat you. Me was when I tried man. Me stopped eating pork for 20 years. And the night Tommy introduced me to Wayne. This Rasta man thing called a pork.
Yeah, I let them kill me, Papa Body, little. Stop it, yeah? China man, stop it. Alright, guys, you always see the cake coming around, but this is the behind the scenes cake prep.
You know, I think this is the first year we've done the two of them in one. We normally always, every year, do them separately. And look, they're pretty happy. They're not bothered. Are they?
Oh, picnic them not grosser.
Oh, they wanted this on their cake, so they each chose their designs. I literally put it on Pinterest, put them on Pinterest and said, what do you want? Best way.
Happy birthday, Atlas. Happy birthday, Jax.
Should I put the amount of candles, you think?
Well, they usually do that up until like about 10 or 12, right? When it kind of just get too much.
I can't believe he's gonna be 8 tomorrow. And I can't believe that Atlas is 5. This is so wild.
Imagine if you try to put the amount of candle for my birthday.
Oh, the house burned down. clean. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaxen Atlas. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! 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 For they are jolly good fellows. For they are jolly good fellows. For they are jolly good fellows. And so say all of us. Alright, make a wish, boys. Oh, but guess what? Because it's COVID time, you can't blow it, you know, you have to do it with your hands, okay? 2, 3. Right. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Yay! Alright, everybody in. Ozzy, come, you get to go in too. Hold on to this one. Everybody in.
Get in there, big bro.
Jazzy, you in too. Alright, ready? Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, said just?
I was born 627 weeks ago. I did the math.
What?
Do the math yourself. I was born 627 weeks ago.
That deep? Sounds just about right.
627 weeks is basically like about 7 years. 7 or 8 years. Do the math, people.
You enjoy
the math.
every minute of it. I agree with you. You just have to love him, you know. You can always do something.
Things his own way.
Look at daddy, look at daddy, look at daddy.
Who does that? I can tell you. Atlas does that.
This is the limit.
What's that? I know, and Atlas is on too. So a special first cousin actually ordered these. The company reached out to me. I don't know who it was. The company reached out to me and said, hey, somebody wanted to gift the boys this for their birthday. And isn't that so sweet? Oh, Jack.
Let's see them now. Let's
Oh,
see
sure.
them.
Jack, bring that one. Isn't it sweet? And then it has birthday facts instead of nutrition facts.
There's a Jax water, Daddy.
Oh, that's adorable.
Daddy, wait.
This is so fantastic.
So people, MTM, kindest, most thoughtful support system anywhere on the internet. Remember, thank you guys. Thank you MTM First Cousins. Enough love.
There's more. So
Here you go, take a Jax Welch.
fruit
Take a Jax Welch. Take it. Here you go.
Dude.
so cute. I mean, honestly. When I tried to find out who the first cousin was, I reached out to the company. I was like, could you please tell me who it was? The person was like, she gave a name like you'd say Rax or something. But when she went back to the Instagram page, it was gone. She said she wanted to be anonymous. No, that's it. Daddy has had one each for you too. And when she went back to check, the page was gone.
What?
So it was like a total ninja move. So anyway, first cousin, you know who you are. Thank you for that. It was very special because I had no party favors.
That's
You
awesome.
saved me.
Awesome.
Happy birthday, Atlas and Jaxen. The apple of my eye.
Yes.
Love you guys. I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful time.
Happy birthday, Jaxen and Atlas. I love you both. You guys are literally my best friends.
Happy birthday, Jaxen and Atlas. You know, many more to you guys, you know? Many more.
Oh, happy birthday, Jaxen. My little baby, my first selfie was with Jaxen. And now I have to do my Atlas.
Ozzy, you get to do it, Ozzy yet?
Oh no, Ozzy won't get time, man.
Happy birthday, Jaxen and Atlas. I've known you since you were so small and I've seen you grow so big, and I hope to see you grow some more and grow in many ways. Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my dear Atlas and Jaxen, who I just love with all of my heart. You guys are some amazing boys. You're creative, you're smart, and you boys are just so wonderful. You treat my son as if he's like an extended brother, and you guys are just awesome kids, and I'm happy to see you grow up.
Happy birthday, Jaxen Atlas. You don't know, brothers for life. Love you always.
Bros for life.
Happy birthday, Jaxen Atlas. You don't know, from Big Bro. Here to teach you the world.
We have to teach him the world first.
Happy birthday to my dear grandsons, Jaxen and Atlas. We're so proud of you. You're going to really lovely boys. I want to wish you many more years. Keep counting the numbers. Okay, and making us proud. You're so wonderful.
That's it. Happy birthday to Atlas and Jaxen, 5 and 8 respectively. Love you, love you, love you. Love the boys that you're growing into, and I just can't wait for the next chapters and what is to come. Love you from Daddy. Happy birthday, boys.
Happy birthday, boys. I can't believe that we are at 8 and 5. Because everybody says it feels like just the other day I had you, and here you are at 8 and 5, and I'm so proud to be your mommy, and I hope I'm getting it right. And I love you so much, and maybe one day you'll watch this when you're big men, maybe won't, but I just know that I love you so much, and I'm so happy to be your mom, and I'm wishing you the best year ever. Love you both. Mommy's hair. How does it look?
It looks perfect.
Oh, that's really nice. How do I look?
Beautiful.
Oh, kiss mom. Love you.